I'm looking for a repair manual for the Generac 4000 XL portabale generator. 09777-1 SN. ### I am an independent repair shop. This gen is not putting out voltage. I have the elec system schematic, need the test procedure, with voltage values.
What's the make and model of the generator? And can you guesstimate how old it is?
Mod 09777-1 SN. ## Series 4000 XL. Age somewhere between 95-98.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
With a load bank tester, I have a very low voltage output. Tried to re-energize the gen with a 12-volt input to the slip ring contacts, no change.
Hi, my name is Me. Review the issue, and I will be more than happy to help resolve it as quickly as possible. https://www.manualslib.com/manual/79509/Generac Power Systems 4000 XL.html. Let me know if you need anything else, as I am here for you. Please remember to rate me as I strive to be the best. Ratings help me to achieve this. 5-star rating is my goal.
That manual is useless. Need a repair manual is stated.
Sorry, I thought you needed wiring diagrams. There is no service manual on this machine. The owner's manual was the user and parts manual for the model machine. You can try to contact Generac, but I tried contacting Generac rep and he stated there is no service manual for this machine, only the one that was sent to you here. If genset is not producing power, you would want to use pages 14 to 15 for wiring to determine where power should be and where it is not. This will eliminate the issue at hand. Most likely it will be in the breakers or control board. Hello, my name is. I am going to assist you with this. I am a certified genset technician, and there is indeed a service manual for this unit. Even though the genset is branded Generac, it is actually a BSPP built unit. I have taken the liberty of uploading a copy for you. Click here to download it. Thank you for using JustAnswer, and please take a moment to rate my performance. Did you get the manual?
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.